Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Siddhi and today I'm going to be showing you a beautiful tutorial on how to paint this painting, and it's going to be a step-by-step tutorial so that you can definitely learn something from it, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel to watch more videos just like this. So let's get started. If you don't have these paints, then you can definitely use the paints which you have and which are available with you. So here I'm taking light sky blue and phthalo blue, and I'm gonna mix them with white. I'm gonna use them for painting sky. So now I'm taking grey color and I'm gonna paint some trees using a fan brush. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Hope you like this video. Hope you learned something from this video. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel to watch more amazing videos just like this.